What's going on? This is Reggie and welcome to AI with Reggie. This channel is going to be a little bit different. There's a lot of information out there that talks about AI tools, prompts, ChatGPT, updates, and the latest AI news. And that's cool stuff, but my goal is something a little bit different. I'm not trying to just talk about AI. I'm here to build AI, get certified in AI, and document the entire journey in public. The wins, the mistakes, the projects, the tests, and even the failures if they come about. So a little bit of background about myself. I've had a software and a marketing company for over 10 years now. I've created some amazing software platforms and CRM systems for larger corporations and small businesses. However, when AI came in, it really helped me out a lot because I had so many different programmers that sometimes completed projects and sometimes they just left some of my clients hanging, which is very hard for me. But with vibe coding has helped me out in so many different ways. If you don't know what vibe coding is just using natural language to create projects and software platforms and websites, CRM systems and things like that. So that's been my new journey. Now, the problem is that I see so many different people talk about AI. There's a lot of buzz around AI. A lot of people are covering the surface of AI, talking about the AI news and all that stuff, but there's not that many people who are actually engineering AI and who's deeper into the aspects of AI. So what I want to do is I want to take my real world experience that I already have working with many businesses, but I want to apply the AI certifications and getting deeper into engineering and all of those different things. So the first thing that I thought was important was to build my own platform. So I vibe coded my own educational platform so I can use AI to teach me AI. So this was interesting. I'm going to show you right now. This is something that I've been working on. Okay, so this is one of the first platforms that I've built to help educate me. That's going to help me to pass my Azure Fundamentals exam. So what I'm going to do is first show you exactly how it's created. So the first thing I did was had AI pretty much create me an entire list of every single certifications that's out there, every single thing that I need to learn to go very deep inside AI, whether it's AI, Python for beginners, to Anthropic AI fluency, to Cloud Code power users, to Intel AI essentials. And then if you get way deeper into this, you see NVIDIA, you see OpenAI Academy, you see prompting, you see Stanford deep learning, AI machine learning. It just goes deeper and deeper. CompTIA Data Plus certification, Azure AI Fundamentals. This is the one I'm taking right now. AI agents for beginners, AWS, deep learning. So it's over 200 different certs and it gets more and more advanced. Snow Pro Advanced Architect certified. So all of this is deep stuff. Some of this stuff I've never heard of before, but it's very high up there. So my goal is to not only learn the beginner stuff, but learn the deeper stuff too. So in order for me to do this, I created my first AI platform. It's called AI-with-Reggie.com. It's not for the public. It's just for me so I can learn these different things. And I created a roadmap for myself. So I figured there's too many different courses back there. So let me first create my roadmap. So as you see, I started off with the Google AI Essentials and a Google AI Professional Certificate. This is something that I've already taken. It was very easy. Those are like the easiest ones to get done with. And there's no real certification. Like this is the completion certificate that you get afterwards because I did take the test and everything. But the most important thing is next, going into the next stage, which is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals AI-901 course. So then after that, I plan on taking the AWS and then NVIDIA, then IBM, Databricks, Google Cloud Professional ML, which is Machine Learning Engineer, and AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer. Now, after I take this test, this is actually a test that I'm taking on Thursday. Today is July 6th. And I probably will release this video tomorrow, July 7th, but I will let you know how I do on the exam. So after I take this, instead of jumping to AWS Certified AI Practitioner, I'm actually going to do another one that's called, I think it's the AI-102, but I'll let you see that one also. But what I want to show you is this Azure. What I did was I made my AI so it generates everything that I need for that exam. Now, here's the tricky part. I'm taking tests and I'm taking exams that I created with AI that hopefully it matches what I'm going to see Thursday. It's quite possible that I'm doing well here and I might actually fail the real test. So nothing's guaranteed, so we're going to see what happens. So when I first go into the Azure one, it tells me all about Azure. It tells me the skills that I'm going to gain from this. It tells me how much study time I need. It shows every single thing, a study guide. So the study guide tells you that part of the exam that I'm taking, 40 to 45% is going to be identify AI concepts and capabilities, and the other 55 to 60% is implementing AI solutions by using Microsoft Foundry. So if I click on this, it goes more deeper into detail about exactly what it is. So here's the cool part. I made it so I not only have a study guide that I can tap and regenerate the information as much as I need. I have flashcards. The flashcards, there's over 149 different questions. I see what the question is. I can go to any flashcard. I can reveal the answer. It shows me what it is, and it shows me why it's there. And then I took it a step forward to say, okay, cool. I want AI to tell me exactly why that's the answer. So say if I got one of the answers wrong and I clicked on Ask Zora Why, it's going to then break down that question and tell me, here is the question, here's the answer, here's the solution, and here's how we came about with that question. So now I'm being taught exactly what to understand about this system. I did the exact same thing with the quizzes. So I do have a quiz button right here. I can click quiz. I can click on start quiz. So when I click on start quiz, it's just going to take me through a quiz, 149 questions. I can always add more questions, or I can regenerate the quiz. I have an exam sim right here, which is a real exam simulator, 40 questions weighted to match the real domain split. Passing mark is 700 out of 1,000. When I first took it, I had 35 correct. Next time I took it, 38 correct. Then I have a perfect score. So what I'm hoping is that even though I have a perfect score here, it is quite possible that I might not have a perfect score or a good score when I take the test. So you all to see if my system is actually working correctly. And if it's not working correctly, I'll be able to tune it in to make sure that next time I take the test, when I retake it, I'll do better. Also, I have a cheat sheet that I created, and then I have a plan. So just understand that everything that I'm doing here is based upon me getting a better understanding of AI that's going deeper into it. So when I created this channel, I wanted this channel to be for builders, for entrepreneurs, for developers, for business owners, and everyday people who see where AI is going and who don't want to be left behind. Because I believe that AI is going to create a new wave of opportunity for people who are willing to learn, build, and adapt. So this is my first day with AI with Reggie. What you see today is what you see. It's the basics. I'm going to get better and better as we go, but this is my first time doing my video, so hopefully you like it. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. Watch me through my journey, and let's all win together.